Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to block unknown calls on your Android device. To get started, open the phone app on your Android device. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then select Settings. Next, look for options such as blocked numbers, call blocking, or caller ID and spam, depending on your phone model. Turn on Block Unknown Callers, block calls from unidentified numbers, or a similar option if it's available. If your device includes spam protection, you can also enable caller ID and spam protection to automatically identify or block suspected spam calls. Once these settings are enabled, your phone will help reduce unwanted calls from unknown or suspicious numbers. And that's it, you've successfully blocked unknown calls on your Android device. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.